Today we see chapter number 5, standard 8. Expansion formulae. Okay. Now first formula is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. A means first term, b means second term, whole square. Okay. So a square plus 2 into a into b means first term into second term plus b square means second term square. Similarly, a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. See here, a plus b whole square, so all signs are positive, and here a minus b whole square, so here you see first term, middle term and third term, first, second, third, and this term is the middle term. So its sign is negative when there is subtraction of two numbers or variables and its square is there. Okay. Now third is a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So if there is addition of two numbers in one bracket and subtraction of these same numbers in another bracket, then we get that is equal to a square minus b square, means square of the first term minus square of the second term. Okay. Now we see some examples. We see, अब हम देखते हैं x प्लस ट्वाइस वाई होल स्क्वायर. अब ये जो एग्जाम्पल है, ये इन तीन फॉर्मूले से which formula is applicable to this example? Okay, so x plus 2y, what is here? Here x and 2y, their addition of two numbers and its square is there. Okay, so we have to find addition of two numbers. Where is the addition of two numbers? A plus b and square. So this first formula will be applicable for this example. Okay, so what is the formula for a plus b whole square? That is a square plus twice ab plus b square. So a square means first term, this is a is first term, its square. So here first term is x, its square, then plus 2 into first term into second term, because a is first term, b is second term. So 2 into first term into second term. So here we write these two from the formula, and a into b, that means product of these two numbers. So here two numbers are x and 2y. We will multiply x and 2y here, then positive sign is there as per the formula, and b square, what is b is second term, its square, here first term, second term is twice y and its square. See here its square. Now we solve this, x square plus, this is the multiplication of three terms, 2 into x into 2y, so 2 2s are 4 into x into y, plus here 2y whole square, that means 2 square and y square, so 2 square is 4 and this is y square. So this is the solution. Okay. Now second, we see second example, 2x minus 5y. Now 2x minus 5y means there is subtraction of two numbers and its square is there. Okay. Now see here, where is the subtraction and its square? So we see here is subtraction and its square. So this formula will be applicable for this second example. So what is that formula? A square minus twice ab plus b square. A square means first term square, first term is twice x, its square, minus 2 into ab means first term into second term. So 2 into first term is twice x and second term is 5y. Okay, twice ab plus, see here, plus b square. B means second term square. Which is the second term? This is first term, this is second term, and its square is there, second term square. So second term is 5y and its square will be 5y square. Now we solve this. 2x whole square is 2 square is 4, 2 2s are 4, and x square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, x into y is xy, plus 5 square is 25 y square. So 5y whole square is 5 square is 25 and y square is y square. Okay. Now we see some numbers, how to find square of some numbers by using this type of formulae. Okay, so here 101 square is, okay, here is 101 square, so we write this 101 100 plus 1 and its square is there, so I square this term, this number 100 plus 1, that means 101, 101 its square, so 100 plus 1, because 101 this number is close to 100 plus 1 close to 100, so 100 and 1 more is there, so plus 1, so 100 plus 1 we write to adjust the formula like this. And which formula will be applicable for this example? So a and b and addition whole square, see a and b addition and whole square, so this formula will be applicable. What is that formula? A square. Now a means this is c, this is a and this is second term is b, so a square means 100 square plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into first term is 100 into second term is 1, again plus sign is there, b square, b is second term, so here b square first term second term its square. Now we solve this. 100 square is 1 square is 1 and this group will be repeated 2 times, so 1 and this 2 times square plus 2 ones are 2 into 100, 200 plus 1 square is 1. Now we add 10,201, so 10,201, that will be our answer. Okay. Now we see third example. So third example is 98 square. Now 98 is close to 100, but 2 is less than 100. 2 is less than 100, less by 2. 100 is less by 2. So here we write 98 means 100 minus 2. Okay, 98 means 100 minus 2. So 2 is less than 100, so it will be 98. Now again there is subtraction of two numbers and its square is there. Again see here, subtraction of two numbers a minus b and its square, this formula will be applicable for this. And what is that formula? Formula is a square minus twice ab plus b square, that means a square means first term square, 100 square minus 2 into first term is 100 into second term twice ab b plus b square means second term square, second first term second term, its square is there, 2a square. So we write here 100 square will be again 10,000 minus 2 to the 4, 4 into 100 is 400 plus 4. Now 10,000 minus 400, so it will be 9,600. Okay, 10,000 minus 400 is 9,600 and this is 4, so 9,604, that will be our final answer. I write here 9,604. Okay, so these are some examples. Now you can solve the exercise number okay, no examples, this is the basic. Okay.